channel. Today I am going to be doing a summer glowy makeup look using a bunch of new products. So if you guys want to see me try out some new products and see how to get a glowy summer makeup look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you never miss a new video. And if you guys want to keep up with me between videos, make sure you check out my Instagram and go follow me over there. I'm always posting on IG stories and on my feed, so I would love for you guys to join me over there. So enough talking, let's jump right into this tutorial. So today I'm going to start off by doing my eye makeup, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. These are kind of like guidance sheets for a clean, crisp eye look, and I've been really loving these. Okay, so this is how my eyes look to start, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyes, and I'm going to be using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. It's been forever since I've used this, and I'm just going to place this all over my eyes. So for eyes today, I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette. I purchased this forever ago and I have yet to use it. I don't know what my problem is, but I'm going for a very warm, summery makeup look today, and this palette is perfect for that. Ow. I'm going to start off with this shade right here and just work it into my crease. I'm going to be going in with a clean Morphe M433 brush. This shade reminds me a lot of Orange Soda from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is one of my favorite transition shades. Now I'm going to go in with this bold orange shade right here. I'm going to work that into the crease as well. Now I really want to make this a nice and smoky makeup look, so I'm going to go in with a deeper shade. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to place that right in the outer V of my eye. And I'm just going to pack that on my eye and then blend it out further. I really like these shades, like they blend out like a dream. I mean, I always like Morphe palettes, but I knew I was gonna like this palette. I just have been playing around lately and have not been living my life right. Okay, now I am going to go in with this beautiful red shade right here. We're living on the edge. Wow, that's so pretty. Now I'm gonna go back in with the lightest shade and just blend everything out. In real life, I see a crease shade, but on camera, you can't really see the crease shades. I'm going to go in with that deep shade and I'm gonna work it into the crease. Okay, now on top of that red, I'm going to go in with this beautiful orange shade, and I'm just going to place that all over my eye. And I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of the Too Faced 3-in-1. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I'm going to be trying out the Lash Line Ink by Pixie. Trying to figure out why this is not coming out. It's actually very difficult to use. So I'm gonna try to use the last of my Wet n Wild to just try to save it. Now we're gonna take off the tape. Now I'm gonna take one of my Kirkland makeup wipes and I'm just going to clean up the excess. Now I'm going to prime my face using the CoverGirl. This is the True Blend Base Business, and it's the Skin Primer in Illuminating. And I've never tried this before, just like most of the things that I'm trying today. We're going for like glowy, dewy summer skin. Okay, now I'm gonna do a little color correcting. I haven't been color correcting my face just because I don't really care that much. But for this full coverage makeup look, I'm going to color correct just in the areas that I need it. And this is the MAC Duo Correcting Stick, I think. I'll list it all down in the description box for you guys. But my face has been on the fritz, guys, on the fritz. So, I don't know, this is just what I have to do. For the foundation that I'm going to be trying out today, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I've never tried this before. So I am going to be trying T50, and we're going to see how this works. So this looks to be a very good match for me. So I'm pretty impressed, and it gave really good coverage. Well, would you look at that? Okay, CoverGirl. I am impressed. I am very, very impressed. Now I am going to be moving on to concealer, my favorite part. As you guys know, my favorite part of makeup is concealer. And I am going to be trying out the new Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Now, the first thing I have to say about this concealer is that the amount of product that you get in this concealer is amazing. It comes with 0.5 fluid ounces, which is amazing. And the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer only comes with 0.338 fluid ounces. So that is amazing. You get a ton of product in here, and you can use it so many different ways. And for somebody who goes through concealer so fast, because I use a ton of concealer, this is a really, really nice product. So I'm gonna try it out under my eyes, and I'm using the shade Sand. So we're just gonna do a swipe, and swipe up here, swipe down here. And I'm just going to blend it out with a dry beauty sponge like I always do. Okay, so first thoughts is this is crazy good coverage, like crazy good coverage. And my face looks flawless, like, and that's not even setting it. So I'm going to go in and try the Peach Perfect Setting Powder underneath my eyes. Now, I used this for the first time like a couple weeks ago, and I got a sty on my eye, and I don't know if it was because of this powder or if it was because of something else. I don't know, but I had a sty on my eye, so I stopped using it. So if I get a sty on my eye again, you guys will know why, and I will tell you. We're gonna do it for the tube, okay? This is a really nice powder. It's very, very matte. Now I just set my T-zone, but I'm going to go in and do some cream contouring. Now for cream contouring, I picked up the shade Mahogany, but I don't know if this is gonna be too red, so let's see. Yeah, that looks a little red for me. Yeah, so I think that I'm going to mix in a little bit of my Fenty Beauty. This is the Matchstick in Espresso. And we're going to blend out the jawline because we all know I need to lose a few pounds. I just look like a bald egg with a 5 head. My forehead is just like on another level. Okay, now that I have blended out my contour, I'm gonna go and set my whole face. I'm going to try out one of the CoverGirl's Vital Healthy Powder. This powder is actually pretty nice. Okay, now that my face has been set, I'm gonna do my brows because I'm tired of looking at them, and then I will be right back. And there you go, bold, bushy, summer brows. Okay, now I am going to bronze my face, and I'm going to be using an oldie but a goodie and something that I have not used in a very long time. And I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. Okay, now I have noticed this separating around my mouth. So the powder that I found works really well for setting around my mouth is the Maybelline This is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I use medium deep. So I'm going to buff out my smile lines, and then I'm going to take the brush and just tap it, and then just buff it away. I am going to finish up my eyes using the same palette. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that brown shade again, and I'm going to run that close to my lash line. Just connecting that wing. Now I'm going to take more of a highlight shade, and this is the most highlighty shade in the palette. And I'm going to take that and put that in the inner corner of my eye. Ooh, that's bright. I also just run it along my lower lash line. And it just opens up the eyes, really brightens the eyes, and makes you look fabulous. Now I am going to go in and place some lashes on, and then I will come right back and we're going to glow up. Okay, the lashes are on, and honestly, I have not worn false lashes in forever. I am getting lash extensions at the end of the month. If you guys would like me to do a Q&A about my lash extensions, let me know. I hear it's really hard to film because they tape your eyes shut, so I don't think I'll do that. But if you guys have questions about it and you want to know my experience and everything, let me know down in the comment section and I would be happy to do that for you guys. These are the Kiss number 11 lashes, and I'm just going to line over the band to blend everything. Okay, now I'm going to go in with highlighter. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Golden Flower Crown, and I'm just going to be using my favorite highlighting brush, the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. Place this in the high points of my cheeks. I like putting it on the apples of my cheeks as well, just like right on the top. I'm also going to take it on my finger and just drag it right down my nose. And I'm going to highlight under my brows and a little bit above. And just because we can never have too much highlight, I am going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills AMREZY highlighter, which I am obsessed with, and I'm just gonna go right on top because it's summertime. So pretty! Now, for my lips, since my eyes are popping, I don't think I want to do a red lip, but maybe I'll do an orange lip. Maybe I'll just be like Havana Nights right now. Okay, so I'm gonna try something and I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Desi and Katy collab. I'm going to be using the Hot Fire shade. So this liner is definitely not as pigmented as I would like, so I'm gonna try to find my MAC liner. I cannot find it, so we're just gonna roll with it. So I haven't done a bold look like this in a long time, but I'm feeling it. I'm gonna use some blush. I'm gonna use this color right here. This is Makeup shade. I'm just going to take that on my face powder brush. Okay, now to set my face, I am going to be using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Setting Spray. And here is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial slash first impression slash get ready with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you never miss a new video. Leave me any video requests you guys have down in the comments section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, love you so much.